Okay, Kayla. Kayla's gonna read. Right?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay.
A rat sat on a mat.
Muy bien. Next.
A cat sat on a mat.
Muy bien.
I need a highlighter. Do you think you have a highlighter?
No, I don't have one. What do you need a highlighter for?
Oh, so I can write.
Do
my
it with your
verses.
finger. Here, do this one. Go ahead. Let
No,
me
I
see.
already did that one.
The third line. This one.
No, I haven't did this one.
You did that. A cat sat on a mat. You did that one.
Okay.
Okay, so now the third line.
A.
That's not A.
The rat was fat.
Very.
Very
Uh-huh.
fat.
Yes. Good girl. And the last one? The last line?
The cat was not so fat.
Good job, Kayla.
I